Hey guys, I've been using AI Sensy for the last 2 years with one of my SaaS clients. These days, most companies are focusing on WhatsApp marketing because people are most active here and the open rates are higher than any other platform. AI Sensy is a WhatsApp marketing tool that helps you do this. In this video, I'll share my personal experience, show you how you can use it for your business, and also talk about its pricing. So, let's get started. So first, let me quickly introduce AI Sensy. It's a WhatsApp marketing tool that helps businesses automate chats, send bulk campaigns, and manage customer interactions directly on WhatsApp. Now let's talk about the features and use cases of AI Sensy. First, WhatsApp chatbot. With AI Sensy, you can create your own WhatsApp chatbot that directly chats with your users. The best part? It comes with a drag and drop chat flow builder, so you don't need any coding at all. On top of that, there's also a built-in CRM option. Second, bulk marketing campaigns. Next, you can run bulk marketing campaigns. Basically, you can send broadcast messages to thousands of people at the same time. AI Sensy also provides pre-approved WhatsApp templates, which are fully compliant with WhatsApp policies, so you don't need to worry about message approval issues. Third, automation and API templates. Another useful feature is automation. For example, you can send an automatic welcome message whenever someone signs up. You can also schedule follow-up messages on specific days. On top of that, you can set up things like payment confirmations, webinar reminders, or any other event-based messages. Fourth, third-party app integrations. AI Sensy also connects with popular tools like Razorpay, Pabbly, and Useful Tools. This means you can collect payments directly on WhatsApp and easily sync all your automation or data without extra effort. WhatsApp Ads integration. And lastly, there's WhatsApp Ads integration. You can directly run WhatsApp ads from Facebook Ads Manager, and whenever someone clicks your ad, the conversation starts directly on WhatsApp. Now, personally, I haven't used this feature yet, but it's definitely an option if you want to explore ads. My overall experience with AI Sensy has been quite positive. My client used it to send automated messages to new users, share offers, send bulk messages, and even collect payments on WhatsApp, which directly resulted in sales. The support team is also very helpful and responsive. The only issue I faced is with bulk campaigns. For example, if I send messages to 100 people, sometimes only 60 to 70 get delivered. But this is not really AI Sensy's fault. It mostly depends on Meta's policies and the quality of the contact list. Alright, now let's talk about the pricing of AI Sensy. The pricing actually has two parts, a fixed monthly platform fee and a per message cost that goes directly to Meta. Let me break it down step by step. Free forever plan, 0 rupees per month. This one is completely free. You get the WhatsApp Business API, blue tick application, 50 rupees free credits, and unlimited free replies within 24 hours. It's good for trying out the platform without spending anything. Basic plan, 1,500 rupees per month. With this, you get one owner account, 5 free agent logins, smart audience segmentation, broadcasting campaigns, and integrations with Shopify and WooCommerce. This is perfect for small businesses that are starting their WhatsApp marketing journey. Pro plan, 3,200 rupees per month. Here you unlock advanced tools like campaign scheduler, click tracking, smart agent routing, analytics, and retry for failed messages. If you're scaling and want automation plus deeper insights, this plan works best. But wait, here's something important. Along with the platform fee, you also pay Meta's per message cost. Right now, it's about 88 pays per marketing message. So for example, if you send 1,000 promotional messages, that's roughly 880 rupees extra on top of your plan. This is the part many people miss when calculating their budget, so keep this in mind. So yeah, that was a simple breakdown and my honest review of AI Sensy. I've personally used it for my client, and overall, it's a solid tool if you want to start with WhatsApp marketing. If you're interested in trying it out, I've added the link in the description. Just go check it out and get started with your own WhatsApp campaigns. And as always, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more such content. See you in the next one.